Hello Moroccans and welcome to episode 9 of English Lessons with Connie. I am Connie, your teacher. In our last episode, we talked about emotions. This episode is going to be all about the difference between singular and plural nouns. Now, you might recall that a noun is a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. In the English language, we can pluralize most words simply by adding an S at the end of them. For example, if we want the plural form of the word cat, it's cats. And pencil becomes pencils. Words that end in Y have IES added at the end. So butterfly becomes butterflies, and berry becomes berries. Now, when the word already ends in an S, or it ends in an SH, CH, O, or X, we add ES to the end of the word. That makes glass, glasses, brush, brushes. And the plural form of tomato is tomatoes. Words that end in FE or F have VES added to the end of them. So knife becomes knives, and a singular wolf becomes wolves. Sometimes it's the middle of the word that changes. Goose becomes geese when it's plural. Tooth changes to teeth. Man becomes men, and woman becomes women. Sometimes the word seems to change completely, like the word child. Child, as a plural, is children. And there are words that don't change at all. The noun milk stays milk. Money is money. And the plural form of food is food. Thank you for joining us for a short look at singular and plural nouns. If you want to know more, you can read our article on internationalmorocco.com. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more videos. In the meantime, take care. Bye for now.